She's looking at you right now, and she feels nothing. No attraction, no respect, no desire, because you've become everything masculine men fought not to be: soft, emotional, weak. When did you last make a decision without asking permission? When did you stand your ground instead of apologizing for existing? You text her paragraphs about your feelings. You ask, "What's wrong?" 50 times. You follow like a lost puppy. You think being sensitive makes you evolved. No, it makes you replaceable. What's she thinking when you're crying about your problems? She's thinking about the man who wouldn't. She's comparing you to every strong man she's known. And you're losing. You've been programmed to believe weakness is strength. That vulnerability is attractive. They lied. Now you're paying the price. Dead bedrooms. Relationships where she treats you like her gay best friend. Here's what this costs you. It's not just women. It's your entire existence. Your grandfather's generation stormed beaches, built houses with bare hands. And you can't maintain eye contact, can't disagree without apologizing. Every time you seek her validation, you betray thousands of years of masculine evolution. She doesn't want to be your mother, your therapist. She wants a man who's already fixed, already strong, already unshakable. But you negotiate for sex, beg for attention, compete with her Instagram for 5 minutes of recognition. Roman emperors had wives betraying them, still conquered nations. You can't handle being left on red. While you're asking, "What are we?" another man is building his empire and she's chasing him. While you're in therapy, Goggins is running 100 miles. While you're explaining hurt feelings, Tate is making millions with women competing for his attention. Ancient warriors knew everything, including women's attention, is temporary. That acceptance made them powerful. When you stop needing her respect, you earn it. When you stop chasing validation, she starts chasing yours. When you're willing to lose her, she fears losing you. This is the paradox. The more you need her, the less she wants you. The more complete you are without her, the more she needs you. It's not about being an asshole. It's about being sovereign, having a mission so important that her presence is a compliment, not the center. Stop analyzing her every move. Start building something so magnificent she has no choice but to respect it. Alexander conquered the world by 30. Think he asked women to define relationships? Elon Musk builds rockets. Think he's double texting? Ronaldo breaks records at 39. Think he's in couples therapy? Your mission is your attractiveness. Your purpose is your power. Your focus on becoming extraordinary is what makes women respect you. Every man women respect. They're not posting emotional paragraphs, not begging in DMs. They're building empires, and women fight for their attention, not the other way around. Spartans didn't negotiate. Samurai didn't beg. They were the prize. That's what you've forgotten. You are supposed to be the prize. Here's your moment of truth. Close this video. Go back to simping, back to double texting, back to asking permission to be a man. Or accept this truth. She doesn't respect you because you don't respect yourself. Women don't want soft men. They want protectors, leaders, builders. Men too busy becoming great to check their Instagram stories. Right now, you choose. Be the man who needs her validation, or the man whose validation she seeks. Be the man who cries about problems, or the man who solves them. Be the man she settles for, or the man she fears losing. Here's what you do right now. Delete that paragraph ever you're about to send. Close her Instagram, block her stories for 30 days. Open your notes, write one thing. Business, body, or skill, make it your only focus for 90 days. No dating apps, no texting women, no validation seeking. Pure, obsessive. Focus on becoming exceptional at one thing. When you become unshakable, that's when she'll respect you. Not because you asked, but because you became worthy. The clock is ticking. Every second seeking female validation is a second stolen from building your empire. Stop being weak, the choice is yours.